Hi, I'm Lena Harts, and this is Blair Marie. And we're going to be singing Make Love by Carrie Hilson. Love, 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 love. Oh, baby, oh, baby. Love, 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 love. Tonight we're gonna do something different. Tonight we're gonna touch a little different. I'm gonna wait on you, handful like the king you are, baby. Just lay back and I'll show you the way. 'Cause tonight we're gonna kiss a little different. I'm gonna make your body feel a little different. I hope you're ready, 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 ready for love. Oh, 'cause we gon' make love, 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 love. Baby, we are. Oh, baby, oh, baby. Love, 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 love. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, yeah. I see it in your eyes that you're surprised tonight. I'm gonna put this thing on you, I'll blow your mind out. And you watch how your body shake. No stop it, just let it shake. I'll control your body tonight. 'Cause I know nobody ever touched your body like me. And it will. Oh my God. Oh my God. Did you see your face? Oh my God. That's the end. Bye. Tell me if you like.